everyone, and welcome back to Campus Cravings, the show where we go campus to campus looking for food that students swear by. And today, we have landed at DAV College, one of Jalandhar's most iconic colleges, because it's not only just known for its academics, but also for producing so many Olympians. Let's go and find out what the students are recommending. आप कौन सी ईटरी रेकमेंड करोगे?
मैम इधर फ्लाईओवर उतर के ना आपको नीचे इधर PSF कॉलोनी है, वहाँ पे एक ओरोबाइट नाम का कैफ़े है, वो बहुत बढ़िया है। मैं कहूँगा आप वहाँ पे जाके फूड टेस्ट करें।
ऑरोबाइट्स, ओके।
ओरोबाइट
वहाँ का कुछ स्पेशल?
पनीर मखनी पिज़्ज़ा।
ओके।
यू कैन ट्राई ओरोबाइट। मुझे मद्दी के समोसे बहुत पसंद है और
मद्दी दे समोसे।
मद्दी समोसे, वहाँ पे समोसे बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं।
आई रिकमेंड मद्दी के छोले भटूरे जो कॉलेज के पास में है।
मद्दी के समोसे,
मद्दी के छोले भटूरे, मद्दी के समोसे,
मद्दी के समोसे और दीनानाथ के कुलचे द बेस्ट।
दीनानाथ के छोले कुलचे,
दीनानाथ के छोले कुलचे,
दीनानाथ के छोले कुलचे।
तू ये दीनानाथ दे कुलचे छोले खा सकते।
ओके। आप?
मद्दी
ओके।
मद्दी दे
ओके।
रोड़े दे परोठे भी है बहुत।
ओके।
अरोड़ा रेस्टोरेंट के आलू के पराठे बेस्ट हैं।
अरोड़े के पराठे इज लाइक अमेजिंग, यू कैन ट्राई।
अरोड़ा के पराठे।
अरोड़ा रिफ्रेशमेंट।
Now we are at Oro Bites and it looks great. Let's see what we'll have here. So we have ordered spicy paneer and cheese sandwiches along with iced latte. Let's have them. It's a very big sandwich with triple bread. Let's just try it. That was a big bite. It's like a typical grilled sandwich and I really like it. Let's try the iced latte. This is a very nice iced latte and I absolutely just love coffee, so I'm loving this as well. But the sandwich is really nice. It's crispy, it's cheesy, all the flavors are very nice. They have put loads of vegetables in it. The spices are perfect. The sandwiches and iced latte were good and I would rate them 7.5 out of 10. Oro Bites is definitely TYC approved. So these are Maddi's special samosa and paneer ka pakoda. And the surprising thing is कि जब तक मैं बाहर से अंदर आई, this plate was already here. So their service is super fast. They look really tempting. They're very hot as well, but let's try them out. I love paneer ka pakoda and they are my absolute favorite. So let's try if these are good. Super crunchy, super soft. The chane are surprisingly very good and I love them. We're gonna try the samosa, taking some chana, some chutney and some salad. This is also very good. The flavors are very good. Even in this samosa, the outside is very crunchy, very toasty, and the inside, the aloo stuffing and the flavor they have used for the aloo filling is very nice. The masalas are to the point and the chane again, they are very nice. So all in all, I really am enjoying Maddi ke samose and paneer ka pakoda. कितने साल हो गए खुले हुए?
मैम 1975 तो है।
ओके,
थर्ड जनरेशन है साडी।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तो आपके पहले ग्रैंडफादर?
हाँ जी, ग्रैंडफादर, मेरे फादर, फिर हुन असी करदे पे।
अच्छा। एंड सबसे ज़्यादा किसका रश होता है? कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स या फिर?
मैम सारे मतलब साडे को हर एक जनरेशन आंदी है, ओल्ड भी आंदे हैं, यंगस्टर्स भी आंदे हैं, बच्चे भी सारे लाइक करदे हैं।
It's been 3 generations since people are loving Maddi de samosa, and I would say the same. I loved them too, and I would give them a great 9 on 10. Maddi de samosa are definitely TYC approved. We are at Dinanath and we are going to take their chole kulche along with ganne ka juice. So these are Dinanath's chole kulche and they look really tempting. Bhaiya served it on a textbook page, so definitely because campus is around here, so they are recycling the paper this way, and they have been serving this since a long time. My mouth is really watering right now, so let's try them out. These chana are called pindi chana, and I absolutely love this because they have very citrusy, lemony flavor. I completely love them, and the kulchas are really nice. They have been toasted in butter. We've also taken ganne ka juice from them. Really sweet. As you all know, ganne ka juice is very sweet, and this is exactly that, pure ganne ka juice, and it's done. We took another katori of this chana because definitely they were very good. And I came to know that this ready has been going on from a long time, maybe from our parents' generation or even earlier than that. That's how long Bhaiya have been here. Let's go and ask him a few questions. कितने साल हो गए भैया?
45 साल हो गए।
45 साल?
हाँ जी, मेरे को नहीं, मेरे ताजी को होगा, दीनानाथ जी को।
अच्छा अच्छा।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
So as you heard, his Taya ji, whose name is Dinanath, जिनका ये है, उनको 45 to 50 plus years हो गए हैं since this has been started, and that's a very huge thing because that makes me feel very proud somehow. I would rate these chole kulche a 10 on 10 for sure, and the Dinanath ke chole kulche are definitely TYC approved. हाँ जी, कितने साल हो गए अंकल खुले?
62 से
1962 से।
1962 से।
अच्छा, और सबसे यहाँ की पॉपुलर आइटम जो बहुत सेल होती है?
वो स्टीम मोमोज, स्प्रिंग रोल और ग्रिल सैंडविच है। आलू के परांठे, गोभी के परांठे, वो पनीर परांठा सब बनते हैं। जिस दिन कॉलेज खुला होता है उस दिन रश बहुत होता है। छुट्टी वाले दिन थोड़ा सा मंदा रहता है, जब फुल कॉलेज खुला हो तो काम अच्छा रहता है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। This is aloo paratha from Aurora Refreshments, and they've given yellow butter on top. I bet it's Amul, and we are spreading it, and we are taking a bite right now. This paratha has a very smoky flavor to it. I guess they have made it in tandoor or something. We also have chai coming up so that we can pair it very well with the paratha. We have a chai with us. I would review Aurora Refreshments a solid 8 on 10. Aurora Refreshments is definitely TYC approved. And that was DAV College, where the campus may be calm, but the food scene around it, absolute nostalgia overload. Every place we tried today wasn't just serving food, it was serving a reminder that some classics stay unbeatable no matter how many cafes open up. Now the real question is, which college do you think has food culture strong enough to beat this generational legacy? Tag it down in the comments below and maybe we'll show up to your campus and test your food traditions. Till then, keep eating, keep supporting the OGs, and just a reminder, sometimes the best food isn't inside the campus, but it's just a few steps outside.